Sound test. Sound test. This is yet again another sound test. Well, if you're watching this video, then you probably know the drill by now. I am Shepherd Chong, and this is most likely going to be a couple of minutes of me just not knowing what the heck to say. I'm already doing it. I'm currently testing a little bit of audio quality with the blue... Oh darn it, it's the name of the microphone. I've already forgotten. Blue Snowball Ice. That's it. It has this little stand that it comes with. It's a USB microphone. It's small, little tripod thing. It has this little twist function. I want to know if using that while recording affects the audio. It most likely will. I'm not sure. I haven't really tested that yet. I'm currently holding the microphone and moving it around by the stand, like a handheld microphone, sort of. I'm keeping my face in the same place, but I'm moving the microphone in various directions, just to see how that affects sound quality. Do you hear me holding the microphone? If I'm moving one of the legs in and out, adjusting it, sort of, while holding it. I don't know if that's going to be audible. Yeah, again, I want it like that. Could you hear this? This is me sort of tapping the USB cable against something. I don't know if that's going to be audible. It could be. And I'm just sort of testing this stuff because I really just don't know. That was me sort of clearing my nose out. And now I'm going to try twisting the thing. It's okay. Twisting, twisting, twisting. It is twistable. That sounds like a, pretty sure that was part of some kind of ad campaign for some product or other. I don't remember. I don't know what I'm talking about half the time. Yeah. Okay, so that was me twisting it around using the function rather than just spinning the entire tripod like I did with the first sound test. It's like it's a little general screw sort of thing. Screw? That is the term for it, yes. The screw twist function. I don't know. Yeah, at the moment it's still. Again, going to be seeing how I can get video function with this. Again, it's going to be something simple, still images. Maybe I'll make something in MS Paint, make some images for MS Paint for this. I don't know. Could you hear that? It was me swallowing, and then making a few odd noises with my tongue. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Sound test. Sound test. It was a sound test. Why did you watch this?